Hello, in this video I want to show you how to transfer files between two different Android devices. Right here I have Android 13. So in order to do this, first let's open Google Play Store on both of them. We'll need to download and install the same app, so let's find Send Anywhere. It's this app right here, and install it also on both of the devices. Now, after installation process is complete, we should be able to open it. So here I have some error, it seems. Now let's try fix that. So if you have this problem, you will need to manually move to the settings. Here find permissions for the apps or storage where the apps are, and see all apps. Now let's find this app, Send Anywhere, and manually give notification permission and any other permissions. We can skip location, maybe contacts if you want to send them as well. Now let's open it again and it should work fine. Also the device is ready, so let's set it up. I don't have problem on this one, and right now the app is ready and we can send the files between these two other devices. So let me show you a quick example. So for example, I'll be sending files from this device to this one. We'll need to change to receive on the device which will be receiving files. And right here on this device, let's select 3 pictures. Click on send when it's ready. You can also browse your photos, videos, audio, apps, contacts, and other files. So let's click send. We should see this code right here, and we'll need to enter it right here on this device. You can also use the link to share it, or use this QR code. So the transfer is ready. It took like a second. Now we can browse these files, and as you can see, it works perfectly. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.